If you're looking for a simple, efficient way to improve your team's communication, Process.st is the tool you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Process.st for team communication, whether you're managing projects, workflows, or just looking for a way to get your team on the same page. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive offer that allows you to try out Process.st for free with some additional bonuses. Process.st isn't just a task manager, it's a powerhouse for team collaboration. At its core, it allows you to create checklists, workflows, and templates that your team can follow to get work done faster and more efficiently. It's designed to reduce communication breakdowns, increase productivity, and ensure that everyone is on the same page, without endless back and forth emails or Slack messages. You can start by creating a new workflow for your team communication. Whether it's a recurring weekly meeting agenda, a client onboarding process, or a content creation flow, Process.st lets you break down any process into actionable steps. This means you can standardize your team's operations so no one misses a beat. The templates available make it easy to replicate successful processes and ensure that you're all following the same steps each time. When you've set up your workflow, you can assign tasks directly to team members. Each person will get a to-do list that's linked to the main workflow, which means you can see who's doing what, when it's due, and track progress in real time. This removes the guesswork from team communication, as everyone knows exactly what they need to do and when they need to do it. Another powerful feature of Process.st for team communication is its integration with other tools you probably already use. Whether it's Slack, Zapier, Google Drive, or even your email, Process.st makes it easy to connect all your tools. You can set up automatic alerts when a task is completed or when a deadline is approaching. This keeps everyone in the loop without needing to be constantly checking in with each other. Plus, all communication is centralized within the software, so there's no more sifting through emails or messages to find updates. For teams that work remotely or across different time zones, Process.st can be a game changer. The ability to leave comments and feedback directly on tasks means you don't need to wait for the next team call to share your thoughts. You can keep your discussions organized and tied directly to the work at hand. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with complex projects where multiple steps are involved. Everything your team needs is right there in the workflow, making it easy to follow up on each task and avoid miscommunication. The best part? You can start using Process.st today for free. Through our exclusive link below, you can get access to the free version, which includes many features to get your team organized and communicating more effectively right out of the gate. There's no commitment, and you can explore all the capabilities of the software without paying a dime. Now, let me quickly tell you why this is such an essential tool for any team. By using Process.st for team communication, you streamline your processes and reduce confusion. It's not just about getting things done, it's about getting them done the right way every time. Whether you're a small business, a growing startup, or an established enterprise, Process.st helps ensure that everyone knows their role, that nothing gets lost in the shuffle, and that your team can communicate efficiently no matter where they're located. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you about that special free trial I mentioned earlier. Click the link below to get access to an exclusive extended free trial of Process.st. It's your chance to take the platform for a spin, discover how it can work for your team, and start improving communication right away. Don't wait. Start streamlining your team's communication now.